Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack. Let's learn English in a fun and easy way.
Today's topic is something we all love, food. We will use easy words and natural English.
Yes, we'll talk like real people. Simple sentences, real feelings, and daily expressions.
Jack, when people talk about food, they often ask, "What do you want to eat?"
True, and sometimes I say, either way works for me, or I'm easygoing about it.
Nice. That sounds very natural. Listeners, remember this phrase. It's very useful.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
All right, let's start talking about food together. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Jack, let me ask you something. What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food. I love rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Oh, nice. That sounds healthy. Do you like spicy food?
A little spicy is okay for me, but too spicy? No thank you.
I understand. When someone asks you, do you want spicy or mild, you can say, either way works for me.
Yes, or you can say, I'm easygoing about it.
Great job. These are very natural expressions.
And then you can use them in restaurants, at home, or with friends.
Warm greetings. Keep listening and keep practicing. English can be easy and fun. Jack, when you go to a restaurant, do you like to try new food or order the same food?
It depends. Sometimes I like to try new food. Sometimes I order my favorite dish.
That's very normal. If you don't know what to choose, what do you say?
I usually say, either way works for me, smiling, or I'm easygoing about it.
Perfect. These phrases show you are calm and friendly.
Yes, people like it when you're easygoing.
Jack, do you like to eat at home or eat outside?
I like both. Eating at home is cozy. Eating outside is fun.
I feel the same. Food tastes better when you feel relaxed.
Exactly. Good food and good mood go together.
Listeners, try these sentences today. Speak slowly and clearly.
Don't be shy. Practice makes you better.
All right, let's keep going and talk more about food next. Jack, let's talk about daily food. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink tea. It makes me feel good.
Nice and simple. Do you eat breakfast at home or outside?
Most of the time, I eat at home, but if I'm busy, I eat outside.
Same here. Food choice often depends on time.
Yes, exactly. If someone asks home food or restaurant food, I say either way works for me.
Very good. That sentence sounds so natural.
Or I say I'm easygoing about it.
Jack, what about lunch? Do you like light food or heavy food?
I like light food for lunch. Heavy food makes me feel sleepy.
Haha, me too. How about dinner?
For dinner, I enjoy a full meal. Rice, curry, and vegetables are perfect.
That sounds delicious. Do you like to eat alone or with family?
I love eating with family. Food tastes better together.
That's a beautiful feeling. Listeners, try these sentences in your daily life.
Speak slowly, feel relaxed, and enjoy English.
We're learning step by step here on English Podcast with FTJ. Jack, let's talk about taste. What kind of taste do you like? Sweet, salty, or spicy?
I like salty food the most, but sometimes I enjoy sweet snacks too.
Oh, nice. Do you like dessert after a meal?
Yes, I do, but not every day. I try to eat in balance.
That's a good habit. When someone asks cake or ice cream, what do you say?
I say either way works for me.
Perfect answer. It shows you are relaxed and friendly.
Yes, food is more fun when you don't worry too much.
Jack, do you like to cook?
A little. I'm not a great cook, but I try.
That's okay. Trying is more important than being perfect.
Exactly. And when I cook, I keep it simple.
Simple food can be very tasty.
Listeners, remember, use easy words, speak naturally.
Jack, let's talk about eating habits. Do you eat on time every day?
I try to eat on time, but sometimes I'm busy, so I eat late.
That happens to many people. How do you feel when you skip a meal?
I feel tired and a little angry. Food really affects our mood.
So true. Good food gives us energy.
Yes, that's why I never skip breakfast now.
When you're very hungry, what food do you want first?
I want something hot and filling. Rice and curry are my favorite.
That sounds delicious. Do you eat fast or slow?
I try to eat slowly. It's better for health.
Good habit. Eating slowly helps you enjoy food more.
Exactly. And if someone says, "Eat fast, we're late," I smile and say, "Either way works for me."
You're always so calm. That's a great attitude.
Being easygoing makes life simple.
Listeners, practice these lines. Use them in real life. Jack, let's talk about restaurants. Do you like small places or big restaurants?
I like small places. They feel cozy and friendly.
Yes, small places feel more personal. How do you choose a restaurant?
I check the menu first. If the food looks simple and clean, I'm happy.
What if your friend asks, Chinese food or Italian food?
I say, either way works for me.
Very natural. And if you really don't mind?
Then I say, I'm easygoing about it.
Perfect expressions. They make conversations smooth.
Yes, no stress, no problem.
Do you like to order food or cook at home on weekends?
On weekends, I like to order food. It helps me relax.
I feel the same. What do you usually order?
Pizza or noodles. They're easy and tasty.
That sounds fun. Food is also about enjoyment.
Exactly. Good food, good talk, good time.
Listeners, use these lines when you eat out. Jack, let's talk about food feelings. Does food change how you feel?
Yes, a lot. Good food makes me feel happy and calm.
I feel the same. What food makes you feel comfortable?
Home-cooked food. It reminds me of family and home.
That's really nice. Food is full of memories.
Exactly. One bite can bring back many feelings.
When you feel sad or tired, what do you like to eat?
Something warm. Soup or rice helps me relax.
Warm food feels like a hug.
Yes, it makes the day better.
Jack, do you like to share food with others?
I love sharing food. Sharing makes food taste better.
So true. When friends ask, what should we order?
I smile and say, either way works for me.
Perfect again. You sound very relaxed.
Being easygoing helps everyone feel good.
Listeners, remember, food is about taste and feeling. Jack, let's talk about shopping for food. Do you like going to the market?
Yes, I do. I like fresh food from the market.
What do you usually buy first?
Vegetables and fruits. Fresh food makes meals tasty.
That's true. Do you plan your meals before shopping?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I decide at the market.
Very natural. What if someone asks, let's buy fish or chicken?
I say, either way works for me.
Perfect answer again. You really sound relaxed.
I don't like stress about food.
Do you check the price when you shop?
Yes, always. Good food at a fair price is best.
That's a smart choice. Do you like local food or imported food?
I like local food more. It's fresh and supports local people.
That's a great thought. Food connects us to our community.
Exactly. Food is not just eating, it's life.
Listeners, use these simple lines when you shop. Jack, let's talk about special days. What food do you like on festivals or holidays?
On special days, I like traditional food. It feels special and meaningful.
Yes, traditional food brings people together. Do you help cook on those days?
Sometimes, yes. Even small help makes me feel proud.
That's lovely. Food is about sharing and care.
Exactly. When we cook together, we feel close.
What if there are many food choices on the table?
I don't worry. I say, either way works for me.
That's a perfect line for family meals.
Yes, no stress, only joy.
Do you like sweets on special days?
Yes, a little sweet makes the day brighter.
True. Too much sweet is not good, but a little is perfect.
Balance is important.
Listeners, try to use these expressions at home. Jack, let's talk about health and food. Do you think food affects our body?
Yes, absolutely. What we eat changes how we feel every day.
That's true. Do you try to eat healthy food?
I try my best. I eat vegetables and drink enough water.
That's a good habit. Do you eat junk food?
Sometimes, yes, but not too often.
Smiling. Balance is the key. Healthy food and a little treat.
Exactly. When friends ask healthy food or fast food, I say either way works for me.
Very natural again. You always sound so relaxed.
Life is easier when you're easygoing.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
Yes, I try to. Water keeps me fresh and active.
Listeners, remember, good food, good water, good life. Jack, after you wake up and drink water, what do you usually do next?
I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and get ready for the day.
Nice and simple. Do you like to take a quick shower or a long shower?
On busy days, I take a quick shower. On free days, I enjoy a long shower.
Same here. It really depends on time.
Exactly. If someone asks me quick or long, I say either way works for me.
That sounds very natural. Listeners, remember this phrase.
Yes, it's useful in many situations.
What about clothes? Do you choose them the night before?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I decide based on my mood.
Mood matters a lot. Do you like comfortable clothes or formal clothes?
I prefer comfortable clothes, but for work, formal clothes are okay.
That's very practical. How do you feel when you're ready to leave home?
I feel prepared and positive. A good morning helps the whole day.
That's true. A calm start makes life easier.
Listeners, try to talk about your routine in English. Use easy words.
Jack, let's talk about the daytime. What do you do after you leave home?
I go to work and start my tasks. I like to begin with easy work.
That's smart. Do you like to plan your day or go with the flow?
A little of both. If plans change, either way works for me.
That's a great attitude. It helps you stay calm.
Yes, stress makes work harder.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I do. Short breaks help me focus.
Very true. What do you usually do during a break?
I drink tea, stretch a bit, or talk with a coworker.
That sounds relaxing. Do you eat lunch on time?
Most days, yes, but sometimes work gets busy.
That happens. What kind of lunch do you prefer?
Something light and simple. Heavy food makes me feel slow.
Same here. A light lunch keeps you active.
Listeners, use these words to talk about your day.
Jack, let's talk about the evening. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to rest a little. I sit quietly and breathe.
That sounds peaceful. Do you use your phone or watch TV?
Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I just scroll my phone. Honestly, either way works for me.
You really live that phrase. Do you exercise in the evening?
Not always. If I have energy, I go for a short walk.
A short walk is very good. It helps the body and the mind.
Yes, it clears my head.
What about dinner? Do you eat early or late?
I try to eat early. Late dinner makes me feel heavy.
Good choice. Do you eat with family or alone?
I like eating with family. It makes the day feel complete.
That's a lovely feeling. Do you talk about your day at dinner?
Yes, a little. Sharing stories helps us connect.
Jack, before we say goodbye, let's slow down a little more.
Yes, that's a good idea. The end of the day should feel peaceful.
Many people feel tired at night. What helps you feel calm before sleep?
I take a deep breath. I remind myself today is done.
That's very healthy. Do you think about tomorrow?
Just a little. Too much thinking is not good. Either way works for me. Plan a bit or not.
Your phrase fits everywhere. You really live an easy life.
I try to. Being easygoing helps me sleep well.
Do you say good night to your family?
Yes, always. A simple good night feels nice.
Small words have big meaning.
Exactly. They make the heart feel light.
At night, English learners often worry. They think, am I good enough?
To them, I say, be patient with yourself.
Yes, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Speak a little every day. Listen a little every day.
Even one sentence is enough.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
They mean you are learning.
Before sleep, tell yourself, I did my best today.
That thought brings good sleep.
And tomorrow is a new day.
Thank you for being with us on English Podcast with FTJ.
We're happy you're part of our English family.
Rest well, take care, and keep learning step by step.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams and happy learning.